Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 15 stocks including Ujas Energy, BEML, SMC Global, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. SMC Global Securities Limited, SMC Global, share is trading around rupees 140. Company announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of SMC Global, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex date and record date for the bonus is yet to be announced by SMC Global Securities. Sunrakshak Industries India Limited. Current market price rupees 1118. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 1000 shares of Sunrakshak Industries, your 1000 shares convert to 10,000 shares. Ex date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 17th October 2025. LTI Mindtree Limited, LTIM, current market price rupees 5,120. Company announced a board meeting on 16th October 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Valiant Communications Limited, current market price rupees 1,107. Valiant Communications announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 200 shares of Valiant Communications, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 10th October 2025. ESAB India Limited, ESAB India, current market price rupees 4,970. ESAB India announced a board meeting on 10th October 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing result Q2. AB Infra Build Limited, AB Infra, share is trading around rupees 199. AB Infra Build announced the stock split in the ratio 1:10. 17th October is fixed as the ex date and record date. Ujas Energy Limited, UEL, current market price rupees 306. Ujas Energy announced bonus in the ratio 2:1. Ex date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 14th October 2025. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited, Anand Rathi, current market price rupees 2,872. Anand Rathi also announced a board meeting on 13th October 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Sayaji Industries Limited, share is trading around rupees 319. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Sayaji Industries, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 7th October 2025. BEML Limited, BEML, current market price rupees 4,390. Company announced this stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 3rd November 2025. AGI Infra Limited, AGIL, current market price rupees 1,388. AGI Infra announced this stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of AGI Infra, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th October 2025. Gokul Agro Resources Limited, Gokul Agro, current market price rupees 404. Company announced the stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 14th October 2025. Infosys, Infi, share is trading around rupees 1,447. Company announced the buyback at the rate rupees 1,800 per share. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Infosys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.